Me? What have you done? Huh?
Did you eat some of chocolate? Did you eat it? Bad girl. Naughty girl. You better go outside. Go on. Get going. Did you eat it? Did you eat it? Did you eat it?
Out.
Out.
Go on, out.
You better get downstairs.
So obedient. Go on, go on. No, out. Go on. Naughty, Millie. You a naughty girl.
Did you eat that? Did you? Did you eat that? Put it in the bin. Don't you wag your tail at me. Don't poke your tongue out either. Did you eat that? Did you?
What have you done?
Did you eat that? Did you? You bad dog. You bad dog. Come here. Did you? Did you eat it?
I think she did, John.
Are you sorry? Hey. Are you sorry? Oi.